Hey everyone, this is John from AAAAFx, and in this video I'm going to show you the MT4 Webtrader terminal. So when we're on AAAAFx.com, if we go to platforms at the top here and click on MT 4, scroll down and go to web-based MT4. That's the Webtrader MT 4 platform. Okay, so if we click on that, obviously log in to your account, so we're just going to quickly do this. So we're logged into the Webtrader MT 4 terminal, and it's very similar in the way it works than the desktop version. Okay, so obviously straight away you have all the same tools pretty much, indicators, charts. You can change the time frames at the top here. Very simple. You got the market watch on the side here. At any point, if you want to open up a certain chart, say pound Japanese yen, drag and drop, pound Japanese yen is open. If I right click, I can enable one-click trading, which is here. I can obviously enter orders, pending orders, buy limit, sell stop, all the usual stuff. I can go to properties. I can change the color scheme to how I like. We're going to stick to black on white. Now, there is a little less customizability of the Webtrader than the actual desktop, but if you're there to just trade, you have pretty much all the same tools. Okay, so we obviously got our terminal here, which shows us our history, obviously the open, any open trades that we might have, all the usual stuff. We got the new chart buttons here, market watch, zoom in, zoom out. Obviously all the tools, the crosshairs, where we can measure like before, horizontal lines, trend lines, vertical lines. We have all the tools pretty much at hand. If I go to file, I can always open up a new chart, view. I've got the market watch and toolbox. These are the only two windows, unfortunately, that you can have on the Webtrader. Okay, you can't have the data window, you can't have any of the more in-depth windows that the desktop version allows you to have. Insert, you do have indicators, but of course the indicators are just the ones that come with MT 4. If you want custom indicators, you are going to need to use the desktop version. But the same as before, if I want to add a moving average, edit the settings, click go, there's my moving average. With the charts, again, I can always right click, object list, indicator list, add or remove indicators. As before, I want to get rid of the moving average, hit delete, and it's gone. Object list, I can easily just get rid of the horizontal line, trend line, and vertical line if I want, or I can just right click the vertical line. I can edit its properties, and obviously I can delete the object as well. Under charts, I can change the time frames, obviously the type of chart, bar chart, line chart. So it's a bar chart. I can also do it at the top here with the little quick access tools. So the line chart and candlestick chart. Switch on the grid, so the grid is the background. I quite like the grid. Volumes, I can, at the bottom here, I can turn on and off as well as the 4. I can have auto scroll switched on and chart shift. So if I get rid of chart shift, you can see it's right on the edge. If I and chart shift, it gives us a little bit more room there from the edge, and zoom in, zoom out. Options, one-click trading, very self-explanatory. That's these buttons here where you can instantly execute a trade. If I enter a trade, which currently won't be possible since it is the weekend and the market's closed, but if I was to enter a trade, again, same as the desktop version, you will see a horizontal line of where I've entered, and I can always just double click it and you will have the trade here at the bottom. I can adjust the stop loss and take profit just like the desktop version by entering the actual price point, or I can quite literally just drag the stop loss line and the take profit line to where I want it to be on the charts. Very, very simple and self-explanatory. And we got the help section where you have all the different things just as before. So that is how the WebTrader terminal works. Now, like I said, it's not as full featured as the desktop version, but all the core stuff you need to trade is pretty much there. Of course, if you want EAs, you're going to have to use the desktop version. If you want automated scripts of any kind, you have to use the desktop version. Even custom indicators, you have to use the desktop version. But if you want to quickly enter, edit trades, whatever it might be, basic technical analysis with some tools like trend lines, etc., Fibonacci, all that is possible with the WebTrader. And last but not least, you got full screen mode where everything goes full screen. So very, very simple, very easy to use. It's responsive, it's quick, it's very useful. If for whatever reason you can't have the software right now, maybe you're on a certain device that doesn't allow the download of MetaTrader 4, but you want to check up on your trade, or you want to edit some stuff, or you want to even start trading, you can do it with the WebTrader terminal, which is really, really useful to have. So I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.